I want to talk about this sense of place because I feel something different every time I'm in Maui, and I'm in Maui a couple times a year because my sister lives here, and so I visit her and her family, and there's really this sense of groundedness when I'm here. There's a sense of wholeness, there's a sense of moisture because it's so humid, and there's a sense of beauty that's like so inspiring to me. And I don't live here. A lot of people ask me like why I don't live here. I don't live here because my life is in California. My husband has a really stable job that he loves in California, and it can be really easy for me to like be sort of frustrated that I can't live here. Maybe one day we will, but for now I don't. And I really want to practice gratitude for where I'm at. I think where we live is so impactful on our daily lives and our progress and growth as people. If you're maybe in a spot where you live somewhere and you'd rather live somewhere else, but something's holding you back, how can we like cultivate that same sense of the place that we want to live in the place that we actually live? What was that? Ellen wants to do yoga with me, and it's not, we have to watch the kids right now, so we can't. So Sandy wants to play. What game do you want to play, Sandy?
Kitty cat game.
Who's gonna be the kitty cat?
You.
Don't get me wrong, I love California. I think it's like an amazing place to live. I'm super lucky to have grown up there and to live there and have my life there. But yeah, that's something I'm sort of like meditating on this morning. I thought I'd share with you guys because it can be really frustrating, or maybe you can get sort of impatient. I know I can get impatient when I'm not in a place where I want to be. And then one aspect is that Maui has my sister and Maui has my family, and it's hard to be away. Rather than focus on, you know, the fact that we're apart and there's nothing much I can really do about it, why can't I just be grateful for the fact that I am here right now, and I know that I'm gonna come back on a future trip. I really love Maui. I really, really love it, but I don't live here, and that's okay. Happy babu, oh.
My last day in Maui, Ellen and I just spent some good quality time together, just talking and baking. We made this amazing, healthy banana bread that is my friend Caitlin's recipe. I'll link that recipe below because it's delicious. I also thought I would show you how I prepared my food for the plane ride home back to LAX, because I know a lot of people are always looking for healthy meals or healthy snacks while traveling, and this is such a great meal. I'll definitely make this again. I just marinated some tofu in a little bit of water and spices on the stove, like turmeric and cumin and salt and pepper, and I put it in a wrap with veggies and guacamole. I'll link the brand for that wrap below because it's a great wrap, especially if you're trying to stay gluten-free. And this was just such a wonderful plain meal. Definitely try this next time you are traveling. It just fits in a nice little container and it keeps you satisfied.
Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you so much, Hannah. I love when you visit every time. I love you.
It's so hard.
I know. I wish you were like my live-in friend. Like you lived here.
Your sister wife?
Yeah.
Saying goodbye.
Goodbye, Hannah.
I love you.
Goodbye, Hannah.
I love you.
Goodbye, Hannah. Bye.
Ow, my face, my face.
I'm going down. 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  'Cause I'm going down. 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 I'm going down.
I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna jump on you.
Why?